Allianz is the world's largest travel insurance company, and I run that on a global basis. We sell travel insurance in 76 different countries, and we offer assistance services in every country in the world. I've been with Allianz now for 5.5 years. Prior to that, I was at Orbitz for 12.5 years. You and I met at that point.
Many years ago, yeah.
Many years ago, so I've been in the travel industry for 18 years now.
And what areas are you particularly focused on at the moment?
So we think of it in two broad areas. First of all, what are we doing for the traveler? And we want to make sure we offer the traveler a best-in-class experience. And second, what do we do to optimize revenue for our partners? And we offer the most sophisticated revenue optimization capabilities, and I'm excited, I'm sure a little bit later we'll talk about the launch of our third generation of our optimization platform.
So why don't we start with the customer experience a little bit here then.
So about 3 or 4 years ago, we decided we want to be very data-driven in understanding the customer experience, understanding the customer journey, and making sure that we have the best-in-class experience. So we collect feedback all the way from the purchase of the policy and all the way through returning from the travel and everything they do in between. And we use data from customers to inform us of what types of things do we need to do for the customer? Do we need to clean up policy language? Do we need to reduce the number of claims forms? What types of digital services do we need to offer? So we're very excited. We're rolling our second generation of our TravelSmart application through the Apple and Android stores right now, and you can have access to your policy, you can file a claim. We've got Hospital Finder on there, access to emergency medical networks, all that kind of stuff. And we provide APIs so that we can integrate with our partners' environment or into our partners' applications.
Okay, I mean, but what does Allianz do this? Is there anything unique or in particular that's kind of relative to other travel insurance providers?
Sure, good question, because frankly it's an industry that maybe hasn't come as far as it should.
Right. Well, it's interesting that you concede that.
Yeah, and we're trying to change that. So a lot of the things we're doing, just even in terms of cleaning up policy and language and stuff, is unique. But what I'm most excited about is our TravelSmart application, which can be integrated into our partners' applications, and really providing a digital experience to file a claim, to get paid via debit card or ACH, and we're rolling out new features such as a panic button. So if you're in a country and you run into a situation, you hit the panic button, you're automatically connected to emergency services in the country, and we have translators that can help you because you might not speak the language.
Yeah, okay, so going back a little to a question or two ago, you talked about the customer experience, but what's your kind of long-term vision for the customer experience?
So strategically we're calling it the digital traveler, and that's really about creating a world-class digital experience. So the foundation is that TravelSmart application, and it's making sure we're evolving from traditional travel insurance to being a travel protection company.
Okay.
So I talked about the panic button, and there's other features that we're building in to make sure our travelers are informed when they're traveling.
Okay, and revenue optimization, you hear that a lot at trade shows like this. I mean, how does that work from your perspective?
So 10 years ago, we launched a sophisticated testing and quoting platform called Fusion. During that time, because we quote 1 billion offers a year in travel insurance, and we run thousands of tests a year, we have incredible knowledge of customers and customer needs. So we work with our partners to segment their customers, to design products specifically for their customers, and then design marketing that's appropriate for that customer segment and that product. And that that virtuous circle between the technology platform, product range, and marketing is how we think of optimization.
Okay, I mean, in particular though, I mean, what's unique about how you kind of drive the revenue for your partners? Because that's often the tricky bit, right?
So I think we'll talk about the fact we're on the third generation of this platform. What we launched 10 years ago, I'm not aware of anyone else having in the market today.
Right.
So we're far ahead, and that testing platform is the foundation for all of the products we've introduced, all of our knowledge on how to talk to travelers to make sure they understand what they're buying and they buy the appropriate travel insurance solution.
Okay, and the Fusion care platform. I mean, what will improve with that over time?
So we've just launched the third version of our optimization platform. It's called the Fusion Core platform. And what that does is it takes us from previously where we were focused mostly on A/B testing and multivariate testing. Now we're moving towards machine learning. So it's got machine learning capabilities, and it's got a lot more automation so we can cycle through tests faster, and there's just much more ability to have more robust customer segmentation.
Okay. Is there anything else you want to share with us, kind of other visions for the future or something like that?
Yeah, you know, I just think I'd wrap it up, Kevin, by saying, you know, we're very excited about the things we've done. We think we've pushed the industry in terms of really having a robust customer experience and very sophisticated revenue optimization capabilities. We're building all these services so that our partners can take advantage of it within their environment.
Right.
And we're excited about all these things and looking forward to talking about our partners.
Okay,
to our partners about
To
them.
your partners. Mike Nelson, thank you very much.
Thank you, Kevin.
Thank you.
Thank you.